So here, welcome to the Mind Museum, located in BGC, Taguig. We have a 650 for 3 hours entrance, for kids 550. Who want to access all day, which is 750. You want to eat first? Gusto mo dito? We will buy ticket there, oh. Hindi dyan, doon. We will buy ticket there. Dali, buy muna tayo ticket. We will buy ticket muna. Halika na. Oh! We say thank you. Buy ka na ticket. Buy ka na dali. Dalawa. Si ate.
Hi. Look at the robot, guys. It's so really scary.
Oh, look at that. Oh. It's a robot. 8 AM 6. It's a robot. Oh. Oh, tingnan. Oh, whale shark. Crafting. Wow.
Scientist naman yun?
Yeah. Here, oh. Yeah, you can hold it. Hold. Oh, see? Magnifying glass. That's a magnifying glass. Oh, hold it, hold. Oh. You see? You see? You see? Okay. Oh, you see? Yeah, that's a magnifying glass. This is a monkey. Hold it, hold it. Oh. Oh. Diba?
I don't like the bottom.
You see the shell? Wow! Wow, there's a fish! Yeah, look at that. You go there. This is, come on, this is satellite. You see? Oh my gosh, it's okay, that's a satellite. Here, you see, you read it.
Can I clean it? This is my future. Mama,
Press and hold.
come here. Can you press my
This one. Yeah. You press it. Like that. Ah, you see? The color green. The weather satellite is there. Oh. Yeah.
An observer in Havana, Cuba, reported that the sky appeared stained with blood in a state of general conflagration.
So I'm trying this. What do you call this one? Space satellite. You wanna see? Space adventure. So we are trying here at the space adventure. So upo lang tayo dito sa loob.
The planet Mars is so interesting because of the many things it has in common with our planet, Earth. Would you believe it has polar ice caps, volcanoes, and weather patterns that you can more or less predict? Because fans need to understand this mysterious planet subject. The four main goals of this program can be divided into checking if there's animals,
This is the sun, anak ko. The sun. The sun. Basahin mo. It's okay, it's moving. Oh, umiikot.
solar system.
Yeah. That's the sound of the...
Solar system.
Yeah, perfect. It's okay, you press it, press. Look at that, look at that. Can you press it? Press, press, press. Oh, that's a gravity. You release the button here, it will goes up. When you press it here, it goes down. Oh, press it, press, press. See? No, that is just an object. Out here, this is a comet. The sky is falling. The comet.
which is meant by the massive objects.
Maybe, oh.
Years ago, Newton explained gravity to be a force attracting objects to each other. And for a really long time, until 1960, a second chemist suspected objects named Albert Einstein was attractive to
It'll go up. Oh, go, go, go. Go, it's just nothing. Go. It's just a motion wave. Oh, look at that. It's okay, go there. It's okay. Go. Wash your Picture muna, picture. Picture. Are you good there? Look at that, the big shark. This is a human before. Hmm?
So scary. Hey, monkey. How are you? Look at It's just my imagination. I'm so sorry. It's just my imagination.
Yeah, it's just your imagination.
So, I remember your name before. Ouch!
Here, oh.
Come on, let's go see the giraffe.
Here, anak, oh.
Wow.
Shh, wait na. Wait. You wait, mama. Careful. Oh, sige, pindutin mo ilaw. Sige, pindot. Careful, dandahan. Oh, it's moving. Oh, sige, pindot. Up, pindot. Ocean. Oh, desert. Oh. Ano sasabihin mo? It's right.
Hello?
Hello? Ocean.
Ocean.
Yeah, this one. This is ocean.
Ocean.
This is the ocean. This one, the up. What is this? This one. You read it.
This.
Desert.
Desert.
Yeah. Then here, forest.
Look at
The other one is mangrove. Yeah. The other one here is savanna. Here, we'll click here, and this is the tundra.
Wow, look at this.
What's that? Tinan mo, huwag kang punta ha. picture. It's not scary. Knock, knock. Sharp, oh. The shark! The whale shark! Opo, yan. Oh, pasok ka sa loob. Oh, picture.
Good day, everyone. It's time for my cooking studio. Experiment, play, and discover with our resident scientists. See you at the science demo area. That's beside the big chocolate bar. Magandang araw! Magsisimula na ang ating my cooking studio. Magandang araw! Magsisimula na ang ating my cooking studio. Mag-experiment, maglaro at magmumula kasama ang ating resident scientists. Magkita tayo sa science demo area.
Experiment. Nanood tayo ng experiment.
Right after this, but we also have shows in the Earth Gallery about natural history, and then you can continue the rest of your tour. Okay, so we'll perform our few quick science experiments about one substance, right, a chemical that's really, really important to us. We take it for granted, right, because here in the Philippines we're surrounded by it. 70% of our planet is covered in it. But it's a very, very water, tubig, no? So yung tubig or water. What makes water such a special chemical? As many of you are new, here I'm gonna do another extra experiment. There we go. Alright, so what makes water such a special chemical? So we'll take a look at some of the properties of water, right? And how it's connected to why water is so important to us. So let's take a look at one property of water that I can demonstrate using this candle, right, or that lamp. And then I have this balloon. And then I'm gonna burn the balloon. I'm gonna put it to the fire. What do you think will happen to the balloon? Puputok ba siya? Let's see. So if you're sensitive to loud noises, you can cover your ears now, right? Let's see how long it will last. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the balloon is not popping. Why? What's inside the balloon? It's water. Of course, if this were a regular balloon without the water, it would pop. Right? Why? Because the heat from the fire will tear the rubber. Punitin yung rubber. Also, it will make the gas inside, the air inside, expand. It will get bigger and bigger and it will pop the balloon. But because there is water, all of that heat went to the water. And water is good at absorbing heat. That is one very important property of water. In science, right, when you get your chemistry, for example, when you get your grade 7, 8 lessons, your teacher would say that water has a high specific heat capacity. That's just a fancy way of saying water is good at absorbing heat. So I have static electricity here, and I turn on the faucet. And I hold this close to the water. That's what happens to the water. Is that magic? Magic, man. Is that magic? I'm a waterbender now. I now need to just practice the other 3 elements. No, of course not. That's not magic, that's not water bending, right? That is science. That's because water bends around static electricity, bends around an electric field. Why? What is the chemical name of water? Any chemical name ng water? H2O, right? H2O. May dalawang hydrogen atoms, that's the H2, dalawa. And the O, that's the oxygen atom. So your water molecule can be modeled by this toy, which looks like what?
Mommy.
Looks like?
Mommy.
What should we wear? Mickey Mouse, right? It looks like a Mickey Mouse, right? It's a Mickey Mouse. The ears are the hydrogen atom. And the head is the oxygen. So H2O. And because of the shape of your water molecule, what we in chemistry class would call a bent shape, one side of the water molecule is negative and the other side is positive. So when you hold it close to static electricity, the charges in the water molecule will be attracted to the static electricity. You can try this at home. So any form of static electricity, you can try pieces of plastic. Tinry ko siya with a curtain rod. It worked. Lumikutin yung tubig sa grade po namin sa bahay. You can also even rub it in any piece of cloth. No? Pag mas high surface area, the better. Or you can try it with this one, right? With silky type of clothing. And then the water molecules that are polar, so that's another important property of water. It's polar, it bends around static electricity. And because it's polar, there are many other very interesting properties of water that come out of that. For example, if I put water here, right? And if I turn it over because of gravity, matatapon yung tubig, right? But what if I put cover here, I'll turn it upside down. What if I remove the cover now? What will happen? Will the water spill out? Let's see. The water will spill out, right? Do you have a chain of clothes? Let's see, okay? So the water stays there, right? It does not spill, right? It's clinging there. And that's because water has another important property. And that is the high surface tension of water. That's what it's called. Yung kapit ng water sa mga maliliit na butas, it's called surface tension, right? And it's related to the property of water. Of course, it can only go so much. If I hit it, the water spills, or if I tip it over like that, right? The water falls down. It's related to the other property of water we just saw, right? We saw that water is a polar molecule, right? It's polar. And because water is a polar molecule, right, that bends around static electricity, because water is a polar molecule, when you put water molecules close to each other, yung one side is negative and the other side is positive. So they stick to each other. The negative and the positive are attracted to each other. Kumpul-kumpul sila. Right? That's why water is wet. Kaya basa yung tubig, right? Because water is good at adhesion and cohesion. It sticks to each other. Nagdidikit-dikit siya. And that is a property of water.
Diba? Oo. Diba? Spaceship. Here, oh, di ba tayo pumunta? Eee, like that, oh.
It depends on the fraction of suitable clouds where life actually arises.
maglaro dito? Gusto mo maglaro? Gusto mo dyan? Gusto mo dyan? Sure ka? Oh, play. Careful ha. Careful. Oh, slide ka? Want to slide? Here at the Mine Museum Taguig.